I think there are a lot of questions around the value of an MBA basis your industry. So is it true that an MBA is helpful only if you've taken finance, economics, or marketing? Can you do an MBA if you don't have a lot of experience in these sectors? Or, what about an MBA in healthcare, etc.? So can any of you, speak to some of these questions, these type of questions?
We always get an application, and in our cohort in the PGPX batch or in PGP batch, we are getting the students from the various industry or from the various backgrounds. Like I can say that they're coming from the IT, they're coming from the finance, they're coming from the fashion designing, from the aerospace, from the defense, and from medical, dentist. We are getting the students from all backgrounds. And for them, like healthcare. So today only I had one inquiry from the very big named medical practitioner of Ahmedabad. He had come for the inquiry for the doing PGPX MBA for the next year. I explained the same thing, that it doesn't make you to stop to learn, because you are expert only in your field in the medical. If you want to go for the hospital, if you want to make a chain of the hospitals or the management of the hospital, then you need to have the management learning with you, the finance and the HR and how to do the marketing. This all will help you. Is convinced. That is why it is not necessary that only finance or any other area will be helpful. So all type of industry will be helpful or all the background will be helpful to get the MBA.
Dibyendu, would you like to add to that?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Aradhana. So I'll add a perspective to this for your understanding. Any top B school will want diverse candidates in the classroom.
Yes.
Why is it so? Because there are case studies. So mostly people teach through HBR or other school case studies. And there, you don't want to have a monotonous view, say everybody is from an engineering or an IT background. You want people who are from the medical field, who are from the sports management field. So there are who are from the army background. So different people have different skill sets and different level of expertise generated of their experience before MBA. So that is why is, say, an IMA, PGPX looking at experienced candidates, or why an ISB is looking at experienced candidates? Because you don't only learn from the faculty, you also learn from your peer group. And that is why we always place a premium in terms of having a very diverse class. So in our class, there have been, in PGP class of ISB, there has been ex-national hockey captain, Indian hockey captain. We have had professional models. We have had doctors, army people, sports stars, Olympic level swimmers. So there has been representation from very wide diverse background. So in case you are from a diverse background, don't worry about it. It's just that in your application essay, present yourself what uniqueness you bring to the classroom, and that will add up your chances in terms of being considered a good candidate.